Hey there, this is Vlad Cherchenko. I'm here with Rob McAfee.
Hello.
If you're an insurance agency owner, we have a very special invitation for you, Rob. Tell them what it is.
That's right. We want to invite you to an event happening early 2026. This is March 24th and 25th of next year called the Insurance Growth Conference. This is going to be an event like no other. Vlad, what should they know?
We hosted the very first Insurance Growth Conference 3 years ago. DMs and agency owners who went to this event said this was by far the best insurance conference they've ever been to. And the reason for that is because we didn't bring on people who used to be agency owners. We brought the top performing agency owners from different carriers, and that's what we're going to do again in March of 2026. Our core message is going to be on how to run a high producing and profitable agency. High producing and profitable. It's one thing to be high producing, but can you also be profitable? We have an agency that writes over $1 million in P&C premium per month, and we're doing that profitably month after month. And we're going to be showing you exactly how we do that. Rob, there's going to be 3 core pillars that we're going to be focusing on. The first one has to do with getting more customers. We're going to show you how to get more people to become clients in your agency. What's going to be the second pillar?
Yeah, the second one is to get those new customers to buy more policies from your agency. So not a monoline policy or the home and the auto, but the third, the fourth, and the fifth policy, all from your agency.
And the third pillar that we're going to focus on is retention. How to get clients to stay with you and renew more times with you. Because that's the business that we're in. It's not just about getting more customers, but it's also getting them to stay with you longer. Now, Rob, is this for agency owners or staff as well? Who should attend this event?
Yeah, both. So if you're an agency owner watching this video, think about the person in your agency that helps you with the day-to-day, the one that your business could not live without. That's who you should bring to this event, because the last thing you want to do is come to this conference, you learn all of the information, and you have to go back and explain it. If you bring them, you guys can go back, all cylinders running, and implement everything you learn.
So not only are you going to hear from top performing agency owners, you're also going to hear from top performing team members, producers. That's pretty rare. You normally don't see team members sharing their best practices, but a lot of times that's who you really want to learn from, people who are in the trenches producing at a high level. So we're going to have top performing team members speak as well. And the third big thing, and I know we've already mentioned this, is that we have an agency that's writing over $1 million in P&C premium per month. We're going to be sharing our full blueprints and how we run our agency. We're going to be sharing that at this event. What else should agency owners know about what's going to make this event different from other conferences?
One other thing that you should know is that this event is not just for farmers agents or Allstate agents or independent agents. This is for everyone. If you sell P&C insurance and you want to scale your agency, you need to be at this event.
Now, to register for this event, go to insurancegrowthconference.com. Get your tickets there today, because every month we're going to be increasing the price. Don't wait to purchase your tickets in the future. Get them today. Go to insurancegrowthconference.com. Get your tickets today, and we'll see you in March of 2026 in Dallas, Texas. See you there.